Welcome back to my channel. Please like, subscribe, and share. Hey guys, I'm back for another quick video, and in this video I am doing a charm haul from two places. One place is called EmbellisHer and the other place is called Scriptcharms. The first charms that I'm going to show you tonight are from EmbellisHer. What I love about these particular charms, they do come in different colors. They have rose gold, they have silver, they have black, they have rainbow, which I call oil spill because it looks more of an oil spill to me than the rainbow. And then what I love is that she has various sayings on these particular charms. You have one that says built for this. You have another one that says my time. One says a mixture of spoil and I get it myself. There's another one that says a praying woman is a powerful woman. And so what I love about EmbellisHer is that she does come up with these fabulous sayings, and they're always a hit no matter what. I don't know if she has like a suggestion box of, people telling her what to make for charms, but listen, I absolutely love her work. The other thing is that I do believe that she does customization, but I think you have to contact her to find out how much that would cost. I've never ordered anything customized from her as of yet, but that doesn't mean that I won't be doing that in the future. Again, these group of charms right here are from a place called EmbellisHer. Now, the other thing I like about these charms is, as you can see, they come in different shapes and sizes. Okay, this one is a heart shape. This one is a circular shape. She also has some that are in square, which I really love. So she's very diverse on how she makes the charms look. And again, depending on what you are making, you would buy the charms that would fit the project. All right. Again, this company is called EmbellisHer, and you can find her on Google. All right. I'm going to put these away, and I'm going to show you these other ones from Scriptcharms. Now, these particular ones that I'm going to show you, they were customized. I had them custom made. Addie was so kind to do a customized order, which is common for her. And I'll show you a couple of different colors that she had. Now, she has yellow, she has green, she has pink, she has purple, and then she has the green and pink, which I thought was a nice additive to her collection. Now, these particular charms, I requested them. I like to make necklaces and bracelets that have spiritual significance, spiritual meaning, and spiritual encouragement. That's what I like to do. Again, I often say that, encouragement is as far as your wrist is from your face. And so I say that all the time. Now, these particular ones, I got, one says, greater is he that is within me. The other one says, fearfully and wonderfully made. Psalms 119:14. The other one says, anointed for this, which is 1 John 2:27. And then I have another one that says, chosen. Now, these come in two sizes. One is 20 millimeter and the other one is 16 millimeter. And this is the 16 millimeter charm right here. If you are interested in getting some of these charms for your collection, you can visit Scriptcharms on Etsy, and you can order from her. She doesn't take that long to, make them and send them out. She's very, very quick at it. I love her work. I've been ordering from her for about a year and a half. The person's name is Addie. She's very, very sweet. I love the fact that she works with you on what you want. She shows you the different type of fonts, the different type of writing, as far as cursive writing or straight writing. Yeah, it is basically fonts. It's not just with sizes, but it's actually with how the wording will look on the charms. I love these charms. I can't say enough about these charms. Again, she is wonderful to work with. And again, I'm looking for something different every time I order something. I don't just order things just to order them. I order them because there's something special I want to do with the charms. I make charm necklaces, I make the charm bracelet, I make the earrings out of those. And one of the things I love about all the different charms, from EmbellisHer to Scriptcharms, they're all different, and they all come in different sizes and colors. Again, she may have different colors, but these are the ones that I was able to choose from. I know Addie is always, you know, adding different colors to the charms, but you have to contact her and find out if you want a different color or not. Well, this is all I'm going to be revealing today regarding the charms I have. Hopefully you've gotten some type of inspiration. I will come back on in another video, and I'm actually going to show you what I am going to make out of these charms. That will be exciting, and that video is coming up next. All right, until the next video, happy beading.